in terms of your journey then, because that's really difficult. You know, now I'm going to start doing things for myself, and you know what? No one's going to sing. I'm just going to play the piano.
Yeah,
that's you know what I mean? That's a bit.
Yeah.
But it was interesting what you said is you. So when you actually got your first gig to do that, you went to hire other people.
Yes.
So I'm a little bit confused. So how? Because I don't know that world. So
Sure.
this is literally just me being very, very ignorant.
Sure.
So isn't the idea for you to just be out there by yourself with your piano?
So there's other elements to it. So imagine the piano's the lead singer, okay? But then there'll be a violin, there'll be a cello, there'll be other elements to the music to make the sound. It's not all just solo piano.
Okay.
Even though the piano's the main, the piano is the lead instrument, there are other elements. So it's like, I need a live violin, I need a live cello.
Okay.
And now I built the orchestra. We got a 16-piece orchestra now.
Wow.
So, but yeah, it does need those other.
Yeah, I see some of your stuff on social. I'm like, this is mad. You know, there's some serious stuff.
Yeah,
Sounds incredible, bro.
Yeah.
Incredible. So that makes sense now because if you got a lead singer, they've still got a guitarist, they've still got a drummer, they've got. So it's the same thing.
It's the same thing. It's just there's other elements.
It's not just piano. It's music.
It's music.
But you're the main dish.
Yes,
Yeah?
that's kind of
You're the beef bourguignon.
the recipe. Yeah. Yeah.
Amazing, bro.
It's been great. I'm gonna say the journey. Some of the opportunities that have come in after going through that period of a lot of rejection and people not understanding it, and you know, bigger shows just constantly saying, "Can we do this? Can we do?" I was like, "If you trust me," because at that point I knew I'd done enough shows to just know I can do a performance that works.